Every day, thousands of people are making money online, but 90% of beginners don't know how they actually do it. Let's break it down. Imagine this. A normal person with just a phone and internet starts making money online. No office, no boss. Sounds unreal? It's actually happening, and today I'll show you how. Selling skills online. People are turning simple skills into income, editing videos, writing captions, designing posts, and selling these services to clients worldwide. This is how online stores work today. Attention equals money. People create content and get views. More views equals more money through ads, brand deals, and promotions. That's why creators focus on growing audience first. Selling without products. Many people don't even own products. They just connect buyers and sellers and earn profit in between. This is how online stores work today. Recommending products. Ever seen someone suggest a product with a link? When you buy from that link, they earn commission. Simple. Selling knowledge. Some people package what they know into courses, guides, and templates and sell it again and again. Small tasks equals quick money. Some earn by doing simple online tasks, testing apps, watching videos, filling surveys. Not huge money, but easy to start. Smart money growth. Others grow their money through stocks, crypto, and online investments, but this needs patience and knowledge. Here's the truth. People don't make money online by luck. They pick one method, they stay consistent, and they improve over time. If you're serious about making money online, don't try everything. Pick one method and start today. Comment "Start" if you're ready, and I'll help you choose the best one.